The following contest is scheduled for one fall. It is for the WWE Divas Championship.
It's boss time. A Grand Slam champion in WWE has won the Raw, SmackDown, and NXT women's titles as well as the women's tag team titles.
How about the time she competed in the main event of WrestleMania against Bianca Belair?
Arguably the best competitor in the women's division in WWE.
Michael, Corey, you guys ready to feel the glow?
Anyone? All right, just me.
Byron, just because Naomi dances, that is not an open invitation for you to do the same.
Why?
Because Naomi's actually good at it.
I can do the electric slide.
Who once beat Naomi in a dance contest?
Oh, no. Don't say it.
I really did.
Did you pull a muscle?
She's got nothing on me.
It's a total mindset that Naomi incorporates every time she comes out here to compete. The glow, the energy, the excitement. This is how Naomi prepares to bring her best self. Never shies away from competition, always seizing the opportunity to get better. That's what feeling the glow is all about.
Introducing the challenger from Boston, Massachusetts, Sasha Banks. And introducing the champion from Orlando, Florida. She is the WWE Divas Champion, Naomi.
The historic Divas title may have a new owner tonight. For nearly a decade, the Divas title was the pinnacle for women's wrestling, and it's back up for grabs tonight.
Now, Michael, you and I were there to call a final defense of this title at Roadblock in 2016, and I am excited to call it again right here tonight.
Naomi is such an athletic and innovative competitor that I have to imagine it's hard to really come up with a dependable strategy against her. Corey, would you agree?
To an extent, Cole. Naomi's athleticism really helps her get out of some difficult situations, but like a lot of competitors who work her fast-paced style, she gets frustrated when things slow down, and when she's forced to work a pace that doesn't suit her style. What I'm saying is, slow Naomi down. She may start to struggle.
Guys, the boss is in bad shape here.
Yeah, Naomi's at full throttle.
Naomi put a stop to that.
Ooh.
Big reversal against the boss. From the middle rope. A splash. The champion into the cover. 1, 2. No, kick out for Sasha Banks.
If she keeps the pressure on, the next one might do it.
Into the turnbuckle. Uh-oh, in the corner.
What on earth?
Oh, my goodness.
You're kidding me.
Heel kick. Momentum is really on Naomi's side.
Oh, you hate to see Sasha like this.
Ooh, man, what a hit.
Well, that's one way to leave the ring, I suppose. She heads out of the ring.
Interesting strategy. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Smart, attacking the arm.
3.
Oh, had that well scouted. Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism.
5. 6.
Into the ring now. Look at this. Oh, nice. Goes into the pin. 2 count just after 2.
At this point in the match, that could have gone either way.
Wants her set up in the corner.
Oh, what a shot. Absolutely brutal. Ruthless.
Side set on the top rope.
Taking flight.
She comes up empty.
Oh, look at head scissors.
And you still feel the glow when the lights are out.
To retain the title. 1, 2. And a kick out at 2.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again. Kick to the gut. Uh-oh, here it is. Oh, no.
Cover. She pops the shoulder up in 1.
She is still in this fight.
Naomi put a stop to that. Delivers the Bulldog. The challenger not looking good right now.
At this stage of the match, they are clearly starting to feel the effects of this back and forth.
Reciprocating the initial reversal.
That hurt. Roundhouse combo. She returns the favor there.
These two showing how well scouted they each are.
And in the corner now. Got her where she wants her. Big. Up on the top rope.
Hazardous part of town for these two competitors.
This could go south in a hurry. Here we go.
Oh, and she had Naomi's number.
Taking flight.
Big mistake there, Corey. Oh, she knows.
Real view by Naomi. Looks like the champ is going to retain. And the champ retains. This superstar picks up a huge victory here tonight. Much deserved, Michael.
Got to be humiliated and embarrassed.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Women's Championship.
Saxton, when's the last time you took flowers to the gravesite of those detestable inflatable friends?
I beg your pardon. Corey, despite what you think about Bayley, there's no denying what she's accomplished. The first Grand Slam champion in the women's division.
Yeah, there's also no denying that Bayley has no problem stepping on anyone along the way.
It's because Bayley thanks herself for all of her accomplishments, and you can't argue with the results. Bayley knows how to win.
Corey, you think she can be great on commentary with you?
I have my doubts, but let's just have Bayley stick to the ring, where she's at her best. I mean, this table already has its role model.
Thank you. From dungeon to diva to an all-time great. Well, Natalya represents a dynasty of sports entertainment.
All right, that's it.
Natalya has a great mixture of mat wrestling skill as well as pure power.
The Queen of Hearts is about to hold court.
Introducing the challenger from San Jose, California, and introducing the champion from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. She is the WWE Women's Champion, Natalya.
The challenger not taking their eyes off the championship.
And the champ is staring daggers right back at the opposition.
Bayley out here primed and ready for action.
More like primed and ready to look for shortcuts. Bayley is more about winning at all costs than winning the right way these days.
Byron, I don't necessarily agree with Bayley's tactics in the ring lately, but you have to admit, before her makeover, so to speak, she'd racked up plenty of accomplishments all by herself. Bayley is more than capable in the ring, and I'd like to believe she'll be ready to bring the fight here tonight.
Then you have someone like Natalya, who always has large shoes to fill, coming from the well-respected Hart family.
And think about the pressure of living up to that name. Yet Natalya does so with ease each and every time she steps foot in the ring. That's what makes her the boss.
Oh, goodness, that was bad.
And shoulders are down.
She likely knew that wasn't enough. She's just keeping the pressure on.
Corey, Bayley is known for her tenacity and persistence. How does one keep someone like that, someone who doesn't want to stay down?
Well, first things first, it doesn't matter what Bayley wants. If you want to keep Bayley down, you want to take her out, just focus on that. Don't start thinking. But what if she gets back up? Because she probably will. It's not easy, but you have to be persistent.
The challenger eating up some damage. Stretch. And Natalya has taken control.
Doesn't look like Bayley much cares for the persistence game when it's directed her way, now does she?
Kick right to the leg.
German suplex. Face crusher.
And from behind, shoulders down. And there's the kick out. A little closer to getting the pinfall there, but this is still anybody's fight.
Bang it back with their own counter. Right with the point of the elbow. Oh, the reversal by Bayley. Here's the pin. Title on the line.
The champion with his shoulder up before 2.
So resilient.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there.
Dallas strikes with natty by nature. Covered by the champ.
1, 2.
And the champ does not end it.
She is still fighting, still keeping this going.
And able to beat Natalya to the punch.
Bayley in control here.
For the championship! Shoulder up even before a 1 count.
Looks like there's some more fight left in her. Ooh!
Oh, she misses the mark.
This is Natalya's wheelhouse.
The Hart family legacy lives on. The sharpshooter cinched in.
What's going to happen here? I think she's got an opportunity to turn this around. She's just got to shift her body just a little bit to get out of this.
I don't know, Cole. It looks bleak.
Very unique escape to fight her way out of the sharpshooter.
Big time clothesline. Good grief.
That's just disrespect right there. I kind of like it.
Thinking pays off.
Here's the pin, title on the line.
Here we go.
And she kicks out right away.
She is still in this fight.
Ooh, look at her answering back. Looking vulnerable on that top turnbuckle.
Oh, no. Better make reservations at the local medical facility.
What a superplex.
She's trying so desperately to get back up to her feet.
Dallas strikes with natty by nature. The submission specialist, Natalya.
Oh, yeah, Natalya. This is a Hart family tradition.
Sharpshooter applied.
Oh, Bayley's dreams about to end here in this match. Taps out.
Tremendous victory. Natalya is still your champion.
Here is your winner, and still the WWE Women's Champion, Natalya!
Quite a bit of cause for celebration after a match like that.
No doubt about it. The better superstar definitely won tonight.